today. What you have to say, the results?
So I have to say that, like, as for us, we are very happy with the results. We put up formidable opposition, and in every ward we have seen the number of people that came out and voted against is grown in every single ward. There is not a single ward where there hasn't been a growth, right? I personally would, take responsibility for the loss, because as one of the leaders of, one of the people in the team, I'm not the leader, but one of the leaders, we are like 4 or 5 leaders who came together. I take responsibility for, we fell short somewhere, maybe we didn't strategize right, maybe we didn't do this right. But personally, I love election fighting. I just love it, right? So I'm game right now already for the next election. And for me, this is like extremely exciting, extremely fun. I love the adrenaline rush, and every election that we do as a team, we get better and we grow. And we are very happy with the results. We would like to say thank you very much to all the people who voted in the opposition, right? This shows that there is a massive opposition in Talegaon. It's not plain and simple. It's not that he's going to win unopposed. It's not. None of that is there, right? So we started late in this Panchayat election, but we gave them a really good fight. We made the minister, we made the MLA get onto the ground, sweat it out, and poll the votes that they did. They have a lot of election engineering machinery. They have a lot of resources that we don't have. But like I said, we love this fight. We will keep fighting, and we will get better at it, and we'll move forward.
First of all, I would like to thank all the 7 candidates who stood on ground, who didn't withdraw, because elections are meant for everyone to participate. Winning unopposed is a sign of cowardness, and you just try to put pressure and whatever happens. And we've seen even yesterday on the election day, these people are the ones that have been fighting for the last 20 years. But they still had their symbol and everything on display where they were doing their, where their canopy was. But anyway, nevertheless, and the team that how Francis, Bhupesh, Chris, Peter, we have all come together in unity, because that's why it is called United Talegaonkars, because we are active Gram Sabha members. We have put a panel of youngsters. We had, a 24, I think so, she's made us very proud, and the rest of the also teammates, where we had advocate 24-year-old, 27-year-old youngsters into politics, into elections, because they are the future. If we don't get them involved, then who do we get? So I would say having active people is very important. And Soglang Dio bore koru je kon ele amka support kela, amko vote kela. It really it's commendable, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts, because we are fighting to save our little Talegaon, our pure village. Those who vote for the opposition, you can clearly see what are their reasons for voting for the opposition. So I don't want to say that everyone knows what is the reason. So God bless you all. I hope that in the next coming 5 years that you all have brought this panel into victory, that you will see some kind of result. But I will assure you, and I think so all of us here will be there at Gram Sabhas, we'll be there raising our issues, because we love our village and will protect it tooth and nail. And Dio bore koru Soglang tumi.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव आमकां सगल्यांक वोटरांक जेणे आमचेर ट्रस्ट दिलो आनी वोट केले आमचे कॅन्डिडेटाक तांकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा. आनी फर्स्ट आमकां आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल टू दोज हू स्टूड इन इलेक्शन. आमचे 7 कॅन्डिडेट जे भिनासतना इलेक्शनाक फेस केलें, बिकॉज सी दे नो देर इज शी इज अ MLA, अदर वन इज अ मिनिस्टर, बट स्टील आमचे कॅन्डिडेटांनी डेरिंग करून ते उबे रावले, दे फेस द इलेक्शन. आनी सगळ्यांक म्हणल्यार तुमी जाणा आसतले इलेक्शन प्रोसेस कसो आसता. तो इलेक्शनाक तुका खूब हें आसता. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू से एनीथिंग, बट आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल एंड वी विल फॉर द
Thank you so much.